right, that'll be $20 from everybody.
What the fuck, bitch?
Girl, you coming with the heat. In Miami with the heat.
Girl, we in Miami, bitch. We in the yayo, bitch.
Not the yayo.
We in fucking La Havana on the niggas. We out here fucking doing what the fuck we want to do. We out here being bitches, being bad bitches.
Not being bitches.
Pretty bitches, bad. Whoa, 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 whoa.
We made it, and yeah, the flight was pretty. I hope you guys can hear me. The flight was pretty smooth. I went to sleep. Me and Keisha only got like. River's ghetto. Keisha and I only got like probably 3-4 hours. How much sleep did we get?
A little TP?
Probably 3-4 hours of sleep.
I gotta pay $2.45.
So yeah, 4 hours at most. So we went to sleep on the flight. I went to sleep as soon as like I sat down. And then the flight was only like an hour and 20 minutes. So now we're just waiting on our brother Bear to come pick us up from the airport, and Tyler's with him, and then Chelsea should be landing in the next 30-45 minutes. So yeah, we will see you guys at brunch, I think. Yes. Peace. River.
Mine says the future Miss Stewart.
Oh, OMG.
Let me see yours.
It says Queen.
That's so cute.
With the crown.
Thank you, River. You're so thoughtful.
Oh, you are just
Miami 21. Bit bad.
No, I'm not ghetto. I don't know who you all might have me confused with.
That's what I
But this right here is a classy lady. This is a hardworking woman. This is, you know.
The Keisha that?
I love it.
Ooh, big.
You know what?
Big.
She read it. She read it now.
She said she was coming to Miami. She said she was coming.
Ooh, child. Well, guys, the whole gang is here. They're changing. I'm not changing. It's over with. I just want to eat. Periodica. That's it.
It's a little bit earthy and kind of musky, and if you like the smell of minced cologne, then that's definitely a good option for you as well. And from the floral section, my personal favorite is the white orchid. On the inside, at the bottom of your vessel, you will see that there are 3 dots. If you don't see those 3 dots, let me know and I can come and add them for you. But what we're going to do is we're going to place the wick onto one of those 3 dots. And then we can repeat that step 2 more times so that we have a total of 3 wicks at the bottom of our vessel.
Where straw come in at?
And as you are placing them, If you want, you can go ahead and take your golden spoon or your Sharpie or whatever you'd like, and we're going to press down on the silver part of the edges of the wick so that it's nice and stuck to the bottom of the vessel.
Alright guys, can I get back? I can have it.
How do we know how much? What? 1.0?
Yeah, 1.0. So
Yeah, and keep in mind that
alright, here we go.
It'll take about 45 minutes to an hour for your tails to dry enough for you to take them home. So, again, you can just come back and go to about an hour. See, other than that, since you took the class with us, all of our retail items are going to be 20% off. Thank you all so much for coming and hope you all have an awesome day.
Thank you.
We had a plan.
Good job, team. Did you guys have fun?
Yes. So much fun.
Yes. Hey guys, so we just left oh. It's like, where's that coming from? No, it feels good. We just left Candleland and now we are at Kansas Bar and Grill. We're about to get some drinks before we check into our Airbnb. And yeah, hopefully we'll make it to the beach. Cause it's time for me to put this shit on. Here we go. Are you serious?
Yeah, it's like you brought it for Tyler's birthday. I think I remember that. You brought your little
I brought it for the engagement. I bring it every time, bro. That's like the cruise speaker.
I don't know.
That's the cruise speaker.
Are we playing the drinking game, guys?
Yeah, of course.
That water is sliding.
First of all, this table is lopsided.
The table is cockeyed. Get it.
Not cockeyed.
How are we doing the drinking game?
What's the drinking game?
They always, the Chelsea
You're
always
not
want to do the
playing
drinking
right now,
game.
Shay.
Ma'am, I'm recording.
Chelsea better do a TikTok real quick. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Oh, that was Keisha. I was like, Tyler.
1, 2.
What you gonna
This the part. What good is a diamond? Nobody can see. It's your song. Hey guys, what a day. It is 7:24. We just got back into the Airbnb from Publix, Five Below, and Ulta, which is literally right below our building, so we didn't have to go far. We just got some things like snacks and water. Currently we're getting ready to go to Miami, what is it, Fingalickin? Yeah, Fingalickin, DJ Khaled's restaurant. We did not get to make it to the beach today, but we are going tomorrow. And what else? Yeah, it's just been a really long day. We've been catching like naps in the Ubers. Tired. We landed at like 8 o'clock. We woke up at like 3 o'clock a.m. like 3 a.m. and we've just been on go since, because we had to be at the airport at what, 4 o'clock?
You can take a shot.
We are?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm coming. So that's what's going on. Currently we're about to take a shot and get ready to go eat. Tonight we're going to this club called Racket. I have a friend who's getting us a booth or section, whatever. So that should be fun. Yeah, I'm just ready to put on some clothes. Like, I'm coming. Can you pour it? Oh, okay, I'm coming. I was not expecting to have this on all day, but yeah, I'm ready to put, I told you I'm ready to put this shit on. And take some pictures. But anyways, yeah, let me go take the shot and yeah. Oh, this is what the outside, this is the view. So there's a balcony from the room, and there's also one from the living room. I love it so much. So let's go take this shot before I get cussed out. Woo, I almost fell.
I wasn't never on that shit.
And Brittany used the bottle orange juice, so we be ready
Bro,
for the gin.
nah, you remember I blacked out off that Parmesan at Faces?
Yeah.
Nah, I remember I was at a Kappa Castle.
Oh,
Me too.
we done blacked out so
Keisha,
many times
that was
there.
about me and you blacked out, and I was crying because you fell.
Aww.
Yeah, that was bad.
River, didn't you fall too at the Kappa Castle? You had on a black dress.
We was drinking with Jermaine and them, and we had that.
Jermaine who? Jermaine and Rashida.
Oh, I remember y'all talking about that story all the time. I wasn't there.
Because I remember rolling on the floor.
I remember that. We was doing a cry baby.
I remember twerking on T. Black going on. Twerking on T.
What did they give
It was
us?
Jack Daniels honey, straight.
I
Understand when I do my dance.
I don't want y'all, man. It's time. Y'all put me some of that lime in here?
ready.
Wait a
No,
minute.
no. We gave you a straight shot. You choose the mixers, sweetie. That's how this
You
goes.
put that Red Bull in the freezer.
Oh yeah, I need some of mine.
I think we better pull it back out.
Yeah, for sure.
Then we better
Got
pull
you,
it
baby.
back out.
Got you, baby. Oh, baby. I'm trying to give them to you. Oh, baby.
I'm always gonna play that game.
You ready?
By the praise, courtroom sounding like I'm in the opera.
To, you know the fuck it is. Motherfucking crew in this motherfucker. We in here. Motherfucking Miami.
Didn't you say your daddy said that you was a sailor?
Girl. Hey.
Watch it be fit up.
Hey.
Watch it be fit up.
Hey.
Watch it be fit up. Watch it be fit up. Ooh, 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 ooh. Production. Ooh, ooh.
I know that's my signature.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag sauce, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag sauce,
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it
good is so good. Like, oh my god.
Ben, never to the front.
Get low, get low.
Hey guys, welcome to Queen of Hearts YouTube. You know, this week we're outside, okay? Yeah. If you're not outside, get out there because it's great out here, okay?
Show your titty out.
Oh shit, my bad.
Scene 3,000 degrees. I ain't worried about them Africans over there, but they worry about me. I got a homeboy named Butter and another homeboy named Cheese. Both with me, baby, I make it milk till it drip down your knees. Spit that shit for real low, brain real low. Kiddo say he looks up to me.
They made
it back.
Camera.
Oh, you talking to me?
I cannot believe this.
What?
Pizza rolls, Uncrustables. The Uncrustables are mine, and it's because the pizza rolls, I didn't know if y'all got cheese or pepperoni.
Let me take something. Anyways, in it, however you look at it.
For a couple minutes or so. Thank you.
It is 3:13 a.m.
Why are you crying?
Stop counting, Shay.
Listen,
The fuck? We in Miami, bitch. We in the yayo, bitch.
not the yayo.
We in fucking Love Havana on the niggas. We out here fucking doing what the fuck we want to do. We out here being bitches, being bad bitches.
Not being bitches.
Pretty bitches, bad bitches. You know what I'm saying? All the bitches.
Mr. Washington. I hope you're watching this.
He's not gonna watch this one. They don't know what they should.
No. I don't feel like it. It's 3:16 a.m. I don't understand.